Welcome to Born Cottage. So the beautiful container house you are watching on the screen. In this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. There is a 20 feet shipping container. The total area I have taken is the length is 20 feet in meter 6 meter and the width is 8 feet in meter 2.43 meter. In the front we have a door here. After that we'll go inside. So we have living plus kitchen area. You can see here the kitchen cabinet with burner, sink and refrigerator arrangement, and also a large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this area. And if we go on the left side, so we have sofa arrangement, and on the front wall we have TV unit. Also on the left side you can see here the single bed and large glass panel for ventilation and light purpose of this area. After that we'll go on the right side. So we have washroom plus water closet for common use. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.